Hello everyone, welcome to Anika's channel. This is Anika. Today I'm here with a new makeup look. This look is inspired by Jacqueline Fernandez. She had this look in one of the very recent songs of her. It's Genda Phool. I know you guys have listened and watched the video of it. I have tried my best to create this look on my own way, and this is the final look I came up with. So let's get started. First, I am using my favorite moisturizer by La Roche-Posay. Then I'm using primer. It's by Milani. This is a sunscreen also by La Roche-Posay. This is a sunscreen serum actually. It's very good, very good. Now I am color correcting the areas I have high pigmentation. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills cream contour palette, taking the pink shade from there and hiding my high pigmentation. I'm setting the spots I color corrected with the Colourpop No Filter Setting Powder. It's just my way to seal the spots because it won't get messed up with the foundation. Now I'm using the Colourpop foundation. Also, I believe it's the No Filter foundation. The shade number will be given in the description box below. Don't forget to check. Also, I'm using the Real Techniques Beauty Blender. It's the best one out there. If you guys are looking for some good but cheap beauty blender, this is one of them. You guys can find it in any drugstore. It's the best one. I've been using this for years. Also, not forgetting my neck. Eyebrows done. Concealer done. Now I'm setting my under eyes and wherever I have concealed. It's also the same setting pattern. Oh, by the way, my concealer I used was the Loreal concealer. And yeah, definitely guys, I will list all the products in the description box. Don't forget to check if you guys want to know. NYX contour palette, I'm just slightly contouring because Jacqueline looks like she had a very natural finish to her face, but she has a very nice and toned face, but I don't, so I need to tone it down. That's why I'm putting so much contour. Yeah, not forgetting my nose. So I am actually using a new palette. It's the Profusion. I don't know if you guys have heard it. It's a very affordable brand. I just used a very light brown as my transition color. Then one shade deeper, that's the one I used to deepen up my outer corner. I'm starting from the outer corner and slightly blending it into the inner corner, so it gives like a very hollow and blended look. I'm just packing some of the shimmer. It's actually a golden shimmer color. just because my sari, the one I will be wearing, has some golden, so I thought it will complement the look. Then I'm using a pink shade. It's, I believe, from the NYX palette. It's just to give it some more color instead of just keeping it very black. I guess I just want to add more color, and yeah, that's why I'm using that pink. Also, not forgetting my lower lash line. First, I'm using the light brown I used as my transition shade. Then I'm deepening it up with the dark brown I used for my outer corner, so that both looks married and matched. This is a Maybelline black eyeliner pencil, not pencil, black eyeliner, I guess, but yeah, it's by Maybelline. Jacqueline did not have a winged liner. She had a very subtle and very small wing, and it's just very natural, so I'm trying to create a small wing but not too long one. Not forgetting my cheeks, some blush. Ta-da! Setting my face with NYX matte spray, setting spray. This lipstick is by Maybelline, I believe. That's the Crayon ink one. I do not remember the shade name. I will definitely add it in the description box below. Here comes the magic. 1, 2, and 3. Look at it. So this is the final look. I have tried to create it in my own way, and definitely, as you guys can see, my curls are not so good because my hair is so stubborn. It doesn't listen to me. I tried my best to make the curls look like Jacqueline, but yeah, this is the final look. Don't forget to like, share this video, and definitely please subscribe to my channel if you guys are new here. I will see you.